Hey friends, if you wish to show hide gridlines in Microsoft Excel, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for Excel in the Windows search bar and open Excel. Now I will just create a few test entries here, test, and then I will write my name here or whatever. So interestingly, unlike Word and PowerPoint, grid lines are not as important. Grid lines are super important in Excel. And if you wish to do away with this, you can just go to the View tab and you can uncheck grid lines, and the grid lines are gone. So, is this necessary? Trust me, it is not, and no one has actually used it. The cells will still remain as they are, even if you write it here or not. And when you print out something from Excel, you always have the options to do away with the grid lines. Actually, the grid lines won't be there unless you're adding a table. So, it is not necessary, but if you want to do it, then you always have the choice here. Okay. So this is how it is. And to get the grid lines back, simply check this box and the grid lines will be back. I keep the grid lines. That is what Microsoft Excel is for. If you want to get rid of them, that is your choice. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.